Cool. So we are back in our class of Unreal Engine 5, and today we're going to talk about Migrate. Migrate is basically the process that we use inside Unreal Engine to send or receive projects or files or blocks of other projects, okay, or of our project to other projects, okay. Well, basically, it's like import or export, okay? But like assets or resources that was built inside Unreal. For example, uh, if you look here in our references, we can see that there's a bed here. And since the beginning of the project, since Max 3D Studio Max, we didn't model the bed, we didn't improve the bed, and we didn't create the mapping. Okay, so this bed always was missing in our project, but that was on purpose. Okay, because I knew that in the future we would need to migrate a bed here. Okay, and a bed is an excellent object to use to migrate and see about the materials, okay, of this object with the migrate. But let's go step by step. Let's go with a simple object, and after we can migrate the bed or other objects inside our project. Okay, first, let's go to a project that is open here, that we have here in the Viz. That is a project of Key House. This project was developed using Unreal Engine 4 in a previous version of Unreal, okay? Unreal Engine 4.24. And we are doing the project in Unreal Engine 5. We can migrate the files from here to other project as long as they are previous versions of the project that I'm going to migrate. For example, I can send files that were made in Unreal Engine 4 to be used in Unreal Engine 5, but I cannot send files from Unreal Engine 5 to Unreal Engine 4, okay? I cannot send, for example, files of Unreal Engine 4.25 to Unreal 4.24, okay? But I can send files from Unreal 4.2016 to Unreal 4.27, okay? So you can always send files or the same version of Unreal or from the previously to the latest version, okay? Not the other way. Otherwise, you won't be able to open the file, okay? So if I have a previous version, a project in a previous version, I can also do that. I can migrate to the latest version, okay? But I can't do it the other way, all right? This project was made in Unreal Engine 4. Then I can send to Unreal Engine 5. And it's very simple. Look at this. Look, I have this bird here and this little table. We're gonna need this. Let's see another object of decoration that we can send. So let's send the little bird. That is a simple object we can use to send it. All right, I select this object. I go here, details of it, and I try to find it here. It's in decoration, bird. I just click on it with the right button. Asset actions, migrate. When I click on migrate, I can transfer to one Unreal to another. If I click export, I can export, for example, to FBX. In case I want to do something or an adjustment in another software of 3D, and after bring it back here. In our case, we just want to migrate. So, okay. Cool. Let's save the file. Let's save it. Okay. And it shows us what is being exported, like what is being migrated with the bird. Okay. Is it migrating inside the folder game, key house, inside the geometry folder of this other one? The object here, bird, uh, inside the material folder, it's migrating the plastic material, and the other one here inside the folder texture, it's migrating these things here. Besides the bird, it's also immigrating two materials and two textures. And you ask why, if we're just immigrating just the bird, why is it also taking, it's also migrating materials and textures associated with this? Okay, look at this. But a really important thing is that when I want to work with migrate, when I want to migrate an object from a object to another, it's really important that the material can be applied. Or I'm gonna double click on it. So it's inside the details of the model. Look how interesting it is. When I click on the bird, double click, I can see besides the bird, I have a material associated with this. Look, I'm gonna go here, materials. I'm gonna put this material and I'm gonna apply it here. Look what's gonna happen. My bird of the scene now has a material of this, or yellow, or like this, or like this. But the bird inside the details, when I click on this, when I double click on it, it didn't change. Why is it happening? Well, it didn't change because it's more important. This material that is linked to the bird is the black material, okay? And the material that I'm using the scene in this moment is the colored one. Let me put the colored one in the bird. Now the bird is using the material, the colored material. What does it mean? Well, when this bird goes from this project to the other project, it will go with the colored material, because the material that is linked to the bird is the colored material, okay? Because it's not linked to the scene, all right? It's linked to the bird, all right? It means that if I have a colored material in the bird and another material, a brown material in the scene, the brown material is not gonna be chosen, okay? That just belongs to the scene, all right? The material that it goes with the bird is gonna be the colored one, because it belongs to the bird, okay? So in the bird, inside the details of the birds in its roots. So you have to be careful and pay attention on this. So every time that you're gonna migrate from a project, an object from a project to another project, you have to make sure that the material that is linked to your bird is the material that you really want, okay? For example, we don't want this material here to be sent to with the bird, okay? We want the black material. So instead of searching the material, I'm just gonna do it here. Okay, you got it back. So the material, look at this. The material that is linked to the bird, I want this to be the black. Okay, now we can migrate to the scene with the black material. Inside the black material, we have this texture here, and this texture will be sent with the material as well. Let's see. Uh, right button, asset actions, migrate. Save it. Look at this. It's gonna migrate the bird, the geometry, and the material that is linked with the bird, and the textures that are linked to these materials. And you ask me, okay, Dennis, but where do you want to save it? Okay, where do you want to take this bird? Okay, we're gonna take it to the desktop work area. Okay, right here, piano house. Okay, content. It's very important here. Save the file inside this folder, content. Okay, be careful. And don't double click on it and choose another folder. Okay, we cannot do that. We cannot select another folder. And you're gonna say, oh, then so I could save in geometry, right? No, if you save in geometry, your file can get an error. Okay, so by default, all the assets, textures, things that you're gonna migrate have to be migrated by the folder, content folder. So, or you double click on it and you select the folder, or you click on it one time, content, and you select the folder. Okay, that's it. Content migration completed successfully. Yeah, our object is already in A6. Let's verify this. We are here, A6. Let's increase the content here. Okay. All right, inside content, I can see a folder here, the Viz key house. All right. Inside this, I see geometry, deco. Look at the bird here. From here, I can take it wherever I want. Okay. Oh, hold on, it's compiling static mesh. All right, it's done. So from here, I can take it and I can decorate the scene as we want. Let's repeat the process. Let's take, for example, these pants here. I think it's cool. The materials, as in with the birds, here they will also go with the pen. Okay. Right button, asset actions, migrate. Inside folder here with the geometry, 1, 2, 3, 4 materials and 2 textures. Okay. Let's select the folder, content, select this. It's gonna say we already have materials with this name here. Yes, because we already migrated the board. Okay, so we have, for example, master with the same name. Yes, okay. We copied 3 files. Let's see which, look, the pen is here. So we can put it here. It's compiling the shaders. Great. All right, they were compiled. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, great. Let's do the same thing with the bed. Yeah, let's see what else we have in the key house that we can take as a object of decoration. I believe we can take, let's see, these 2 objects maybe. No, I don't think so. I think the TV, yeah, probably we'll need a TV to put in the key house. Let's find it. Right button, migrate. Okay. Select the folder, content. Yes. Yeah, that's it. Look, the TV is here. Let's see where we can put the TV. I don't remember having a TV in this house, but we can put a TV on this wall here. Okay, it's good. 90 degrees. Yeah, let's like this. Yeah, nice. Let's bring the bed. All right. Okay. The bed that I'm gonna take is part of the Viz package. Let's see on the side, the Viz. Let's see the bed that looks like more as our reference. Our bed here. Okay. Let's see. This one. I think this one looks like, yeah, and it's more beautiful. I think that's gonna be cool. This one, no. Let's see. No. This one is cool, yeah. Maybe that, or maybe, let's see. Yeah, a little bit this one, but yeah, we can take like 3 beds. Let's see. I think we have this one. We can take this bed. We can also take this one. And let's see. Another one that we saw. Let's see. This one. Yeah. Okay, so let's go. I love the bed package here is opened. So another project. Let's take a look here. The geometry. Let's see. Yeah, this one. This one is one of the beds. Let's open it to check it out. Yeah, it's one of the beds. Okay, cool. Right button here and migrate. Look, all these elements are gonna be migrated with the bed. Okay, and it's cool because this bed, all the beds actually, they have a lot of materials that we can use in our scene. Okay, mainly fabric materials. We're gonna see that together. Desktop, like arc area, workspace. Go here, content. Okay, it's migrating. Okay, yeah. You see, this time it didn't say that it was gonna overwrite materials because it's the first time that we migrated a different package of that key house. Okay, let's take a look here, the Viz. All right, let's see. Yeah, right here. Let's open it. Okay, it's compiling the shaders. Meanwhile, let's take the other beds. Let's see this one. Yeah, right button. Asset actions, migrate. Look, all these elements are going to go. Piano house, content, select. Yeah. Okay, look at this. You can realize that it's getting easier to do the projects inside Unreal. All right? Look how interesting this is. As we already had the beds modeled, like with the textures, with the materials created and everything. It was very simple because we just took them from a package, like from a library, and we sent to the project that we wanted. Look at this. Let's see which is the bed. Yeah, right here. Okay. It's compiling the shaders. Every time that we're gonna do a process like a migration process, it has to compile the shaders, but it's okay. It's very fast. Look at this. The bed that we brought it. Yeah, we brought here. It has the materials with the adjustments, the mapping, and everything done. Okay, let's see it here. Look at this. So we have the color, control of colors, saturations, and all of this here. Let's see the master of this. Let's try to see this. So what's happening here? So there's a controller here to multiply the UVs, the amount of repetition or not. Okay, it is being directed to the texture that is a linear interpolation. Okay, it's receiving the A, receiving the B, and mixing these two. It's sending to a multiplier here that I have the control here, how strong or how weak this is. It is taking this result, putting in A, color to here, putting B, and using a node in the type Fresnel to control this mixture. Fresnel, it brings this aspect here, these colors, these different things on the edge of our material. So it's cool to simulate fabrics. So I have a Fresnel in a diffuse color where I can select a color for this Fresnel, okay? Let's take a look this inside our model. Look at this. You can see the Fresnel is doing that. Look, it has already compiled here as well. The Fresnel here, you can see the edge with a lighter shade, okay? This is the Fresnel. And you don't need to do this material because it is already done, okay? So what do we have to do? We just have to select and put in the scene, okay? Look how cool this is. Let's activate the snap. And let's put in the scene. Look, that's it. Yep. And I think we have a camera here for this scene of the bed here. Let's see this. Here, the 21. Camera 21. That's it. Let's put this mode here. Oops. Put it here. Yep. Let me minimize this. Yeah. Let me see the reference a little bit to the side. Like this. It looks like we just have these two tables. It looks like, I think it's okay. Yeah, they look like, yeah, maybe we can change the color or do something like that. But let's see other bed. Let's try this one to see how it is, if that's gonna be better. Let's verify. Let's see this. Camera 4. Oh, bed 4 actually. Let's put it here. I don't think so because it's way bigger. But let's 90 degrees. Let's delete the other one. Let's see. Oh, actually, this one is better. Yeah. I think I like this one. Yeah. Look. I think I liked it more. The camera can go like this. Yeah. And obviously, with the lens in a different size, let's see. We can try it with the 50 millimeters. 50 millimeters seems cool. Yeah. But although it is a horizontal camera, let's see if we have a better camera that looks more like the reference. Let's see. No, we don't have it. But we can make another one. We can after, okay? But the bed is here, okay. Let's leave this one here. After we can replace if that's the case. It is already mapped, textured, the materials are already done. So basically, we're not gonna have any job with this, okay? Any work with this. Let's put two little tables. I think they are here in, let's see, geometry, deco. Yeah, deco. Yeah, these two here. Look, and the size is correct. Yeah. We have the black one taller and the other one smaller. Yeah, a little more taller than the bed, just a little, like this. Yeah, that's it. And a bird there as well. Key house. The bird here, we can put the bird on the table. Okay. Yeah, cool. Perfect. We use the migrate to bring the bed. Okay. Nice. Excellent. So we use the migrate to bring objects from other scenes here. But besides assets and objects, we can bring materials, textures of other projects, okay, into the project that we are working. So let's bring a material, a water material, to our project, okay. There is a really cool water material that is really complex to make, okay, and it's really cool to study reverse engineering, okay. And we're gonna take it of a template here of Unreal. So I'm gonna access Epic Games Launcher, library. Look, there's a sign here, okay, that was launched the preview 2 of Unreal Engine 5. We will learn how to download together. It was very cool. That was the launch, the preview, okay, because we're gonna download together, but we're not gonna do this now, okay. After we're gonna do that, let's just initiate this. We are opening the Unreal 5. Let's access the template of ArcViz to take the water of the ArcViz template. Then we can migrate the water to use in our swimming pool, okay. Let's wait this to initiate the Unreal 5, okay, of Epic Games Launch. Okay, so let's go in architecture. Let's use this template here, okay, ArcViz, so that we can take this water and we can select the water and migrate to our project. Okay, here, let's click here, select this folder. Let's call it ArcViz template. Create. Okay, cool. We can take this water, all right, material, water here. All right, this is the material that we want. I can just try to find it. Yeah, it's here. Let's save. Yeah, that's it. Right button, asset action, migrate. Look, it says the geometries and objects that are going to go in this project, this migration, okay? Where I want to migrate, here, desktop, here, and piano house. Be careful because now we have the other one. So content, select the folder. Oops, let's cancel this. Let's go again. Migrate. Okay. Desktop. Here. Piano house. Content. Yes. It needs a folder, so we can call it migrate. It's gonna create a folder, this folder in our project. So let's go to our project. Let's see. Uh, all right, here, level, migrated, material, here. Look, we have the textures here as well, the mappings. Let's see if we can find uh, the instance of the material. This one is the master material. Um, let's take a look now, another project here. If it is an instance and water pond, let's see if we can find it in our project. Oh, let's put water here. This one, yeah, it's this one. Okay. Migrated. I'm gonna put it in our scene. Okay. It's preparing the shader, and okay, it's gonna compile. Don't worry about it because the material is being created as it the first time that we brought it here. Let's wait the process here, and after it's gonna be ready for us, our water. Okay, cool. It is here, our water. That's for sure that we're gonna make some adjustments. It's very dark here, the speed is too high. We're gonna make some adjustments. But it's here, okay? I'm gonna see it here. In Migrate it. Yeah, it's here. It's right here. Let's open the material, this instance of the material, and then we can make some adjustments. Okay, we can, let's say this yeah, the color. We can put like more like a swimming pool, more like this, maybe. I think, yeah. Here we can control how cloudy is this water, how dark. Let's see if let's put 0, for example. Yeah, that's it. Look, it was with 1. No, it was with 6. Okay, let's say I think 2 is cool. Let's paint it here. No, just to test it. Look at this. Is it generating caustic? It's a functional material. Maybe it is. Okay. The size of waves. Let's see. Look. 2, I think it's cool. The speed. I think. Yeah, I think that's it. Let's see this others. Let's put. It's very strong. Let's change it. After we can adjust these things here. Here I can put like 0. Let's put 0. Let's see. Let's change it. Let's leave the default. Yeah. And color. Let's see this one. What's gonna happen if we change it? Let's see. Okay. Let's put in 200. Okay. 3. Okay. Right. It's the depth of the swimming pool. 4 meters. Okay. 4 meters is cool. The size, I think it's cool. The intensity, it's better if I leave it like this. Let's a little more darker, maybe. Yeah, I think it's cool. Let's see it here. Mm, let's see. Mm, I think it's better now. The speed. Mm, okay. All right. Mm, let's see. Let's use this. Let's see. Mm, let's see what's gonna happen if I change it here. I wanted to decrease the speed of the water. Mm, after we can test the materials and get into the master material that so that we can see the parameters there and adjust. Okay, look at this. Let me see the reference, how it is for the swimming pool. Our swimming pool actually, let's see, where is it? Yeah, this one. It's a very clear water. I think the same material on the floor of the swimming pool. So we have to change it a little bit. Let's see. Details. And I'm going to use on the swimming pool. Okay? Like this. Meanwhile, it's dark. Okay. Let's take the water. Let's leave it more like this. However, more blue. Yeah. Yeah. Like this. Look at this. Let's see. I think, yeah, we have to keep going. The normal is weaker. Let's put to the side here so that we can see. I'm gonna put in the other monitor. Okay, more like this. Less darker. All right, a little more to the green. Okay. All right. Meanwhile, it's okay. After we can try it more, we can test it more. Let's see what else we can migrate from other project to this project. I think we can do something else with the water here. Let's put let's see, like this, a little darker. Yeah, that's cool. It's better. Meanwhile, it's cool. Yeah. Let's see what else we can migrate. We have this pants. We brought this bird here. I think we have some more decorations that we can bring. Okay, we have this here, this here. Okay, this vase. I think we have one similar to this in Key House. If we paint it black, I think that's gonna be really similar. We also have this bed here that we can take it. Okay, but I'm just gonna take this vase here. Right button, migrate. Piano house, content, yes. All right, yeah, it got here. House, geometry, deco, and it's here. Okay, the problem is that we just have the external face. Let's see, but it's okay. Let's take the same material like the bird And for now, no, I think we can use this material on the table. Like this. Let's apply it. Um, Look, it's kind of leaked inside. It's like there is no surface inside. Let's see. Maybe if we bring land, it's gonna work, I guess. Let's see. Let's press 8. So it has disappeared. No, it's wrong. I thought we had something here like land, but we don't have it. Okay, so we're gonna leave it like this for now. Let's see what else we can take. Books, I don't think we need. Here I think it's okay. Pebbles, I think it's gonna need that project, but we can do that after. Okay, and great. I think for now it's okay. Yeah, for now it's okay. Let's leave it like this so that this class will not be really long, like too long. And then we're gonna get back the next class, okay, with more objects to migrate in our project, or with some more adjustments on the materials. And after we can migrate vegetations so that we can color the vegetation, but we will talk about it after. See you into the next class.